The total confusion with respect to the proposed drawdown of the from the National Housing Trust of 11.4 billion goes beyond the simple matter of confusion and may involve a breach of trust. Mr. Speaker, you will recall that the JLP, then in opposition, took the previous administration to court on the basis that a withdrawal from the NHT was illegal, despite the Parliament clearly having passed the legislation. This is the gleaner of the day. Holness goes to court over NHT. But I gather you were an editor just the other day. Mr. Speaker, that was despite the fact that Parliament had clearly passed appropriate legislation.
No, Mr. Speaker, there's a point of order. The member has said definitively that the Jamaica Labour Party in opposition took the then government to court. To my best knowledge, Mr. Speaker, having been the one who is purported to have done this, I am certain that this was not done. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, I would urge the member, for the accuracy of the record, to rethink his statement.
Mr. Speaker, in the interest of complete accuracy, let me say that it was indicated by the press at the time that the opposition was going to challenge the special. Mr. Speaker,
members, I wish. 1 minute, Mr. Phillips. I wish to hear Mr. Phillips. And if he is incorrect,
what is the organization here?
I am sure he will withdraw the statement.
The organization,
Mr. Phillips, if
an organization led by a former candidate of the Jamaica Labour Party took the government to court. If they want to persist in this games playing and deny that their hand was there, let them do it. The Jamaican people will see who has courage to defend their position.